Hello everyone, this is Martin from Pass the Crayon. Today we're gonna play a little game called The Good Thing About. You can play this game either alone or with a good friend. For example, one will start to ask the question, what's the good thing about the rain? What's the good thing about the sun? What's the good thing about being bored? What's the good thing about being in a bad mood? What's the good thing about stepping into dog poo? You can answer those questions either alone or with your friend. Feel free to come up with your own question also. And now I had a question for you. I was wondering if you still had some question regarding the coronavirus. Don't hesitate to send us your question. We are partnering up with many different experts in the field, virologists, epidemiologists, medical doctor and psychologists who will be extremely happy to answer all the questions that you might have. And now we're gonna go meet Deborah and see what she has in store for us. Deborah, this is your turn.
Thank you, Martin. Hello, everybody. Welcome back. My name is Deborah, and today I am going to show you how to make one of these. Woo! These I call them surprise box. This is what we are going to make today, and if you want to make one with me, here's what you're going to need. You're going to need an egg carton box, and then you're going to need colored paper and some colored pens and pen to draw, and I am going to use some paint, some brushes. I am also going to use my scissor and a cutter. If you are going to use a cutter, you're going to need to ask for an adult to help you. Some tape, glue, and this is the basic materials that I'm going to use. The first thing I encourage you to do is a sketch. A sketch is a drawing that you do without caring too much about the final result. It's just a drawing to record the ideas that you have. So I've decided that I'm going to paint my whole box in white. And I have this, if you don't have a place to mix your paint before using it, I recommend you use these candle holders. So, here we go. While we wait for our box to dry, we can work on the other elements of the surprise box. And I am gonna work on these characters now. So now we have 6 shapes from different colors, and each of them is a character, and so we just need to draw their faces. So now we get each of the papers and we draw a beautiful face in them. It can be very simple, just like this. So there we have it. Now we have 6 characters, and each of them will carry a different message that you can choose. Now you have to use your creativity to think about a nice message for whoever you're going to give this box to as a gift. So now you have to choose either if you want to use the same color for all the messages or if you want to change the color. This is all up to you. I'm gonna use the pink for this blue, and then the way you do it is you think about some space here. Don't make it too big, otherwise it won't fit inside the box. Let's see, I'm gonna make it like this. Yippee! Here we go, we have all our characters and messages. Now what we need to do is to create some handles for us to play with our characters, like this, right, in the box. And so what we're gonna do is to cut 6 pieces of paper, and they have 5 centimeters here, and here it doesn't really matter, it's as thicker as you want. I'm using 1 centimeter, sometimes a bit more. See, I cut everything by hand, so it's not exact, but it's something like that. So then you cut 1 for each character, and we are going to glue them behind like that. So let's do it. You can either use glue or tape for that. I'm gonna use glue because it's faster. So glue. Also, it's important that you decide which characters you're gonna put on the back and which ones are gonna be in the front of the box. I've decided that those 3 are in the front and those are on the back. Now we are going to put our characters to rest, and we are going to work on our box again. So now what we have to do is to get our box. My box is dry. We're gonna turn it upside down, and you see each of these places of the eggs will receive 1 different character. For that we're gonna do little cuts here, because then we can just slip the characters through the little cut here. Okay, so ask an adult to help you on this stage. Okay, you get your cutter. I'm gonna do it here. It's very simple. Right here, and just do 1 cut of this. We have 6 cuts. Let's see? That's it. Now you can do like this. This is a nice surprise. Okay, so that works. That's good. Now, the next thing we're going to do is to create a beautiful backdrop here, a background. And it can be anything you want. It can be the sky, it can be whatever you decided to do when you did your sketch. Me, I decided that I'm gonna turn this into a mountain, and then I'm going to do a little flag here afterwards, and I am going to paint some clouds on the background. Okay, nice. This, I want this to be like 2 mountains. So cute! go. It's looking better and better. I have this piece of metal here that I can maybe pinch here. Make sure that it stays. And now we're going to reshape it. I'm going to shape it like this. We have our cute little flags. So nice! We're going to add our characters. So you get a character and you add them there. Okay. Wow, it's full of beautiful messages. It's already looking really cool. And then when you move the characters up and down, like this, yay! They can play and interact together. And also there is another thing that we're gonna have to do together, which is when we close like this, and then when we open, what's gonna happen is that poof, this is gonna fall, right? And we don't want this to fall because we want the box to be like this always, just on that position, this part upwards and this part like this on the horizontal, right? We want to do a little theater, and so we're gonna need 2 little papers here to hold this thing open when someone opens it. Okay. Now, I cut just 2 pieces of paper. See, they are not the same, they are not, it's just 2 papers that we're gonna put here and here to keep this thing like open, like a tiny theater like that. Then when we open, yeah, it prevents it from opening all the way. See, it makes it cute. Okay, we're almost done. Isn't it cool? So in the end, what I decided is I'm going to make a face here, also to cover these 2 holes that are quite like ugly. So I'm gonna do a face like this. For those of you who like to play with technology, I'm going to add 2 lights. You know these LEDs? I want to add them on top of the mountains. Yay! Okay, so the big leg is the positive and the small leg is the negative. And then you look at the battery and it shows you where the positive is. And so then you just touch the big leg on the positive and look, it's magic! Yay! Look, it's a little light. I hope you had fun making a surprise box with me. Yay! I'm so happy with it. We would love to see what you make. Please use the hashtag #PastTheCreation and share it with us. Bye everybody. See you soon.